Limited liability companies, or LLCs, offer a powerful combination of liability protection and operational flexibility for business owners. If you're considering starting your own LLC, you're in the right place. This video will guide you through the comprehensive steps to form your own LLC. The process of forming an LLC involves several key steps. These include selecting a unique business name, appointing a registered agent, filing articles of organization, and obtaining an employer identification number, or EIN. You'll also need to create an operating agreement and secure any necessary business permits or licenses. Let's break down these steps in more detail. First, you'll need to choose and reserve a name for your LLC. This name must be unique and not already in use by another business in your state. It should also include a company descriptor like LLC or limited liability company. Many states offer online databases where you can check name availability and even reserve a name for a small fee. Before finalizing your name choice, it's wise to check for trademark conflicts and domain name availability. You can search the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office database to ensure your chosen name doesn't infringe on existing trademarks. If you plan to have an online presence, securing a matching domain name is also advisable. Next, you'll need to appoint a registered agent. This is an individual or entity responsible for receiving legal documents on behalf of your LLC. The registered agent must have a physical address in the state where your LLC is formed and be available during regular business hours. The third step is filing your articles of organization with your state's Secretary of State office. This document officially forms your LLC and typically includes details such as your company's name and address, member information, and management structure. There's usually a filing fee associated with this step. After your LLC is officially formed, you'll need to obtain an employer identification number from the Internal Revenue Service. This number is used for tax purposes and can be obtained by applying online through the IRS website. Creating an operating agreement is another crucial step, even if it's not required by your state. This document outlines the roles, rights, and responsibilities of LLC members and can help prevent disputes down the line. Finally, you'll need to open a business bank account and secure any necessary business licenses or permits. These requirements can vary depending on your location and industry, so it's important to research what's needed for your specific situation. Once your LLC is up and running, maintaining compliance is key. This often involves filing annual or biennial reports, keeping your registered agent information up to date, and maintaining accurate financial and operational records. Some states may have additional requirements, such as publishing your articles of organization in a local newspaper or paying franchise taxes. Forming an LLC yourself is certainly possible, but the time and cost involved can vary depending on your state's requirements. While legal assistance isn't mandatory, consulting with a lawyer can ensure you're complying with all state-specific rules and can be particularly helpful for more complex business structures. In conclusion, forming an LLC involves several important steps, from choosing a name to maintaining ongoing compliance. By following these steps carefully and understanding your state's specific requirements, you can successfully establish your own LLC and enjoy the benefits of limited liability, protection, and operational flexibility.